back, friends. This is your host Deepika, and we are about to begin our main segment for today's show. The story about spectators of this magnificent game called cricket on America's premier cricket show, Cricket on Air. In almost every recent cricket game of India, when Tendulkar is playing, I see this passionate spectator whose body painted from head to toe in the Indian tricolour and number 10, which happens to be Tendulkar's jersey number 2, painted on his body. He has got to be the biggest fan around.
No doubt about where his allegiances are, Deepika. What's more is he also carries with him a shank, which is basically a conch shell, a shell of a large sea snail from the Indian Ocean, and is frequently seen blowing it at certain moments during the match.
I would assume the significance of this shank comes from the age-old Hindu tradition of marking the start or end of any ceremony with the auspicious sound of the shank. And I gather there is certain holiness to the occasion when Tendulkar is playing for India in any cricket match.
Of course there is, Shri. Don't you know Tendulkar is God? In fact, as history tells us, even in the epic battle of Mahabharata, shank were sounded before the commencement of an encounter on the battlefield. And I can very much liken a cricket match to a battle. And I bet that also one of the reasons why this passionate fan sounds the shank in these matches is for the same reason.
As intense as that example is, I have another one of an equally passionate fan. But on a lighter note this time, guys. There was a match between India and Pakistan where this girl with the Indian tricolour painted on her face was also carrying a banner that said, "Zahir, I love you." The funny part was that when the cameras focused on her, she was caught a bit unawares, and once she realized she was on the big screen with her sign and the entire stadium could see her, she blushed. The crowd roared in acknowledgement.
I know, I remember that one. What's more is that the camera then focused inside the pavilion where Zahir was sitting with Yuvraj. And Yuvi being Yuvi, he started teasing Zahir, true Yuvi style. And then Zahir saw himself on the big screen and the girl with the banner was on the screen. He blushed as well. The camera, in true Bollywood style, focused back on the girl as if to say, "Now your turn, dear." And she responded with a flying kiss to Zahir and a blush. Zahir was probably feeling like a Bollywood hero by this time too, and he responded with a flying kiss from his side too. It was almost like it wasn't just a match, it was a matchmaking going on there.